you can make this awesome kitty cat ornament with the artistic wire Really Big Jig. Hello live wires, Heather Boyd Wire here. Today we're making this fast and easy kitty cat with the artistic wire Really Big Jig. So without further ado, let's get wired. I'm using 15 gauge aluminum wire to make the cat. I've put all my pegs in place. You don't need any plugs on the back of the pegs. They just slip right into the jig. And I'm going to go ahead and wind the wire around the pegs. Smooth out the wire with your fingers and bring it around the pegs, giving it a little bit of a tug to straighten it out. We're going to hold the wire down so it won't pop off the pegs and continue going back and forth, making sure you push the wire against the peg to make a sharper bend. And bring it around, hold it down and stretch it out a little bit. You can even push it beyond the peg and back to make it a little bit more straight, wiggling it around in case it gets a little bent, holding it against the peg and bring it down one ear towards the eye and bring the wire around and then to the other eye. If you prefer, you can actually start at the eyes so that the loops are going the opposite directions, but it's not super important. We're going to continue going back and forth for the whiskers, holding the wire down and pressing it against the pegs. I like to work off the roll, that way you don't have to worry about cutting the right size and you won't waste any wire. This colored aluminum wire is available on Amazon and Etsy. I'll link up my materials in the description below the video. Stretch the wire down, straighten it out, and bring it around for the paws. Bend it a little beyond the peg and around, pushing the wire against the pegs so it sits flat, and hooking it at the top of the leg and down and around. And when you get to the stomach, I'm just going to give it a little curve with my finger to give it a little more shape. It makes it look a little more natural when you form these little curves, and you can do these curves by forming it with your finger. You don't really have to add any larger round shapes to the jig, although I have in the past used a pill bottle or other round forms to make some larger round shapes. I'll link up a playlist of tutorials for the Really Big Jig in the description below the video. Bring it up around the tail and hold it and curve it around, giving it a little bit of a shape in the tail, and bring the wire down. We're going to next clip the wire about an inch below the back, remove it from the jig, and we're going to put the tail to the back. You can flatten it out on the table as well to make sure it's all straightened out and flat, and I'm going to compress the whiskers in the center, just pushing them together a little bit. The aluminum wire is quite soft and flexible, so you can do a lot of sculpting by hand. Now we're going to attach the wires. We'll give the back a little bit of a curve, hold them firmly in place, and bring that wire around. Hold it really firmly and get your pliers so you can tug that wire and bring it around. Wind it around a couple of times and you can bring it around to the back. Clip it with the flush cutters, flip it over, and we'll get our nylon jaw pliers to press it in place. Now we need to clip the other wire, And we don't want it to slide around, so we're just going to bring that wire around one time to secure it in place. Clip it with the flush cutters or nipper tool, and you could do any little adjustments that you need. Here's your finished kitty cat, and you could find the template for this design and many more in my Artistic Wire Really Big Jig Sun Catchers ebook. I'll link it up in the description below the video. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. Check out my Etsy DIY shop where I have all kinds of ebooks and templates for wire art and jewelry. You can use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% on any 5 templates, tutorials, or ebooks. Join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share photos of your wire art and wire jewelry. You can also join me live on Wire Lady TV every Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where I troubleshoot new ideas and designs for wire art and wire jewelry. Happy wiring, everyone, and we'll see you the next time.